to make the most basic, simple and delicious sponge cake. Now let's read the ingredients. We need some self-rising flour, 250 grams, and some sugar, 250 grams, and some butter, 250 grams too, and 3 eggs, and some vanilla extract, 1 spoon of it, and 1 spoon of baking powder, and some milk. Now let's get started. Now I already add the 3 eggs. Now I'll add the 1 spoon of the vanilla extract. Now I'm going to beat it with the beater. Now we have beaten the eggs. Now let's put it aside. Now I'm going to put the sugar into the 250 grams of butter. Now I'm going to beat them again. I have beaten the butter and sugar. Now I'm going to sieve the self-rising flour. I'm going to put bit by bit. The reason I'm doing this is because there won't be any lumps. Now I'm going to add the beaten eggs in here. Now we are going to mix it with cut and fold like this. And fold. Cut and fold. Mix it really well. We are going to put the butter and spread it around so when we're done and finish the sponge cake, the cake doesn't get stuck in here. Make sure to add a thick layer. Now I'm gonna dust the self-rising flour in like this. Now you can see I already dusted the self-rising flour all over. If you already dusted and it's already attached, you can put the rest of the flour into the bowl and put it away. Now I'm going to put this batter into here. Now you have seen I poured the batter into the tray. Now don't forget to preheat your oven for 180 degrees. Now you have seen that I put the baking tray into the oven for 180 degrees, which is 25 to 30 minutes. Yummy and delicious. It's really not. Hello, my name is Sasha. Dora, she's making cake and lunch for me, sponge cake, and she's my sister. She's my sister. I love my sister. I love my sister. Now we have to cut cake from the oven. Now we're gonna flip it over. My sister loves cakes, so we made it today for her. cut the cake into two slices for me and my sister to eat. Two small pieces, see? It looks like a little pie or something. But it might taste really good when we taste it. It's so good.